Got to do some really precise drill press work, and so we are going to replace this quill. That's the original 1979 quill with this brand new one, and here's how much wobble we have now.
You can see it and wobble my finger. It's almost a 1/16 of an inch.
Almost done taking out all this putty. It's very weird looking metallic putty. Very shiny when you scratch it. But don't be afraid to take it out. There's a very nice set screw right under it.
That screw.
Yep.
Look at that.
Disengaged. Continue to hold quill feed lever and quill assembly out of the headstock.
Okay, I'm holding it.
Now set quill feed stop at 4 1/4 and tighten its lock.
We are at
all the
the
way.
very end.
That's this, right?
Mm-hmm.
I love how everything's just engineered into it. This is the new quill for the Shopsmith that we
She has a name. Shoptimus Prime.
Oh, for Shoptimus Prime that we have been neglecting.
See.
I didn't neglect
Remove
you.
drive and ring assembly. It says to put a screwdriver in here and shove this out.
Oh, and
Like that. But I could just pull it out. So, alright, this one makes almost no noise. And then this one, you can hear as I turn it.
oh yeah, clearly.
Interesting to look in there while that's out.
I see wobble in that.
Yeah, me too.
Do it one more time. I got it zoomed in now. All right, we got to remove. What was that piece called again?
Drive and ring assembly?
Drive and ring assembly.
Just trying to.
Pop off?
Get on video?
I think so. Good deal. Yeah, first time I've used that thing in 4 years. Back in the vault.
This new thing on. You're not gonna be able to see it from there. You should be able to see it from here. So I was having trouble getting this onto the drive shaft because it was not oriented right and it's hard to push it on. So I was like, well, maybe if I put it onto the new quill and shove it on, but it doesn't go in far enough, so I'm going to use the old drive and ring assembly underneath, out of storage,
You're good.
underneath the new one. I'm going to see if I can then get that to push it in. And then I'll take the quill out and take off the old one.
Alright, so we'll just tap that on.
You got it all alright, all the way on already. Didn't need to go far. I can slide that in.
way.
Yeah, so the instructions said the spring gets extended all the way, then turn this 1, 2, 3 turns clockwise if looking at it from this side, but counterclockwise since I'm on this side. And then I can, there we go. That goes all the way in. Install and tighten the set screw, part number 11, until it bottoms out in the groove. Then back out 1/8 to a quarter of a turn. So that's a quarter turn. We're going to go right between 1/8
3/16
and a quarter. Yeah, right there.
3/16. There you go. Perfect.
Nicely covered the set screw with some solder.
Perfect. All right.
That's a lot better.
Those come out. Yeah, I not only is the whole machine much quieter, that looks much better. Let me see if I can get that absolutely straight on in this.
Oh, and we had it all the way out.
Oh yeah. Turn it on and then put it out and then extend it.
You mean?
Yeah, start there. It's like dead on. And the whole machine vibrates on the floor, so
Not as much as it did.
right, that's literally almost perfect.